Hi, it's Rosa Collado with Keller Williams from the Collado team, and I'm so excited because I'm here in front of this one family home here in Brooklyn. In Brooklyn, guys, we actually listed this house, and we're showing it today for the first time at this open house. Believe it or not, in less than an hour, we had over 10 people that came in. Look at the home. We're expecting to get multiple offers for this property. If you're a homeowner here in Brooklyn or Queens and you want to know the value of your home, make sure that you click on the link below that I'm going to be providing to you so that you can see exactly how much your home is worth in today's market. I want to show you guys around a little bit just to give you an idea of what we had here. We actually had here the Sproul's team. So we had about 4 bankers that were here pre-approving people. So this is the team here, as you can see. Guys, this is the team here. Say hello. So you can see this team here was helping us help everyone right away. We're getting people pre-approved right on the spot. If you are a realtor or if you are someone looking to buy a house, make sure you reach out to us. And also the good thing is that they were talking about how they can start setting you up so that your rate can be locked in. So make sure you give us a call today if you want to see this beautiful home, or if you want to know the value of your home, make sure that you click on the link below. And this home will only be lasting for another week for us to show it again. Talk to you guys soon.